Hello. Today we're going to talk about superposition and interference. We'll start by talking about what superposition is and how it leads to interference, and then we'll do some examples to illustrate these concepts. Superposition results from two waves being overlapped. When these two waves overlap, they create a new wave. Every point on this new wave will have a displacement which is equal to the sum of the displacements of the individual waves. This is known as the principle of superposition. If the two waves have displacement in the same direction, we say that we get constructive interference, where the new resulting wave will reinforce. However, if the two overlapping waves have different displacements, that is, one of them might be positive, the other one might be negative, we'll get destructive interference, or cancellation of the two waves. Superposition can result in interference patterns. For example, on the left, we have the interference pattern from a light source. What we see in the picture are alternating bright and dark fringes resulting from constructive and destructive interference. Similarly, we can see interference patterns for other types of waves, for example water waves. One of the key points to remember about interference is that constructive interference will occur when waves meet in phase. For example, if two waves are perfectly in phase, that is, the phase difference between them is zero, we'll get maximal constructive interference. The other point is that destructive interference will occur when waves meet out of phase. That is, if two waves are out of phase by pi radians, or 180 degrees, we'll get perfect destructive interference when no wave will be left. Superposition of the waves will only occur while those waves are overlapped. As can be seen in the GIF, once those waves pass each other, they'll return to their original waveforms. There are many good simulations online in order for you to play around with superposition yourselves. I'll link to some in the comments of the video. Here's a question for you to have a go at yourselves. This question was provided by the IOP, who have a broad range of A-level materials on their website. Pause the video and take some time to carefully read over the question. I'd advise you try and answer this question on a piece of A4 graph paper with a pencil. I'll give you some time and then I'll give you the answers. And finally, here are the answers.